Hi pretties, welcome back. Today I will show you my winter funky look. For this I will first moisturize my skin with Vaseline lotion. You can use any lotion to moisturize your skin. Then I will use Vaseline to moisturize my lips. Now I will apply self primer of Marasat misbah. It will help to smooth my skin and also it helps to evenly spread my base. On primer, I am going to apply Bonanza Topface foundation. I will only apply one pump and spread tiny bit on all over my face. I think the coverage of this foundation is tremendous, and also Bonanza is offering all their beauty product at very reasonable price. So I would recommend that you should try their foundation. Now I will apply concealer of APK, which I have already used in my previous makeup tutorial video. I have two small pimples at my chin area, so I will cover it with the help of this concealer. Now first I will blend it with the help of this blending brush, and later to blend it more smoothly I will use my hand. In this video, I will use a compact powder instead of loose powder to cover my under eye area and also the lower cheek area. The brand of this compact powder is APK, and I think it gives the same texture as loose powder gave. Now I am going to apply a brow pencil. The brow pencil is from Anesthesia. You can put a stroke to fill out your gaps. And from other side it has pulley which helps to blend your strokes. Now I am using my angle brush for contouring. I will use this brown color for contouring, and I am also using angle brush, so I will put this brown color at my cheekbone to contour my face, otherwise it will look very round. I will also contour my nose, and further I will put some brown color at my forehead and lower jaw as well. Now I am using jaded kantleen light palette. You can use any palette with similar colors. So first I am using the shimmery peach kind of color for the base. I will apply it to both my eyes. For this look, I have planned to keep my eyes simple and natural, because with this I am going to apply a darker shade of lipstick. Now for liner, I will not use black pencil. Instead, I will use a white pencil to make my wing and liner. And I will do the same on my other eye. Now I will use this small angled eye brush to use this brown color on white liner which I have already applied. If you want true color of eyeshadows, then you should apply that color on white liner. Trust me, you will get the real color. Now I am going to apply that brown color over the white liner of my other eye. Then I will add one more coating to that liner. Now my eyeshadows are almost done. Now I will apply that brown color underneath my eyeline. And I will do the same on my other eye. will apply white color at the corner of my waterline. Now I'm going to complete my eye makeup by adding a little bit of mascara. I'm using the same drama lash mascara of Misbah, which I have used in my previous makeup video. Now for blush on and highlighter, I'm going to use my LMX palette. I'm going to use this baby pink color for blush on, and I will use this white color for highlighter. All these colors are very basic. You can find these colors in any palette. To finish my look, I'm going to use this red lip pencil. It is also from Topface Bonanza. It will give a very formal and funky winter look to you. With this look, I have worn my red high neck t-shirt and black jacket, and in hairstyle I have made a high pony. Hope you have enjoyed my style winter funky makeup look. I will see you in my next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this helpful.